Welcome to DevOpsT. So here I'm going to do a quick how-to on enabling and disabling a new module that you're writing, or even an existing module in Puppet using Hiera. So let's start by just generating our module. So just quickly, I assume you've got a Puppet master, you've already got your Puppet agent set up. If not, check out one of my Udemy courses. Just do a Google search for Udemy and Dennis McCarthy and you'll find the two courses I do. Let's have a look. So we've got our Puppet master. Let's do a Puppet module generate, we'll call it my initials enable underscore testing. Okay, that's going to come back and give us a few questions, which I'm just going to enter straight through because I don't need to put them in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Click yes. Okay, so we now have enable testing. So vi enable testing manifest init.pp. Clear out all of this stuff. It's useful, but not for us today. Okay. Now what we need to do, we need to stick a variable at the top. So to do that, do just a semi bracket. So shift 9 for me, and then close that off here, and then leave the other bracket there because we're going to come back and use that. So now we're going to write in $enable equals false. So whatever we're going to do won't actually run by default. So now we're going to, yes, that's okay. And then within the curly braces, we're just going to put the if statement. So if $enable open curly brace, we're just going to put a notify just so you see it working. So write your notify in, I will run. Close that off. Close your brackets. Again, now we can put an else in. Let's have another space. Open brackets. Notify. So where the notifiers are would be where your code goes for your particular Puppet code. I will not run. And close that off. And then close the curly brace. Okay. Right, so save that. VI role base, obviously this is a cut down version of roles and profiles, but role base manifest init.pp. This is just the usual include enable testing. I think that's what it's called. If it isn't, I'll have to come back. Okay, and then so let's go into Hiera. So for us, it's just Hiera data and common. So this is where we pick our role, but we're now going to do the name of our class. So enable underscore testing colon enable colon space true. Do that. So we've set up our enable testing module. We've put some notifiers in, so by default it's false. We've set it as true in common, so when we run our Puppet module, Puppet agent -t, we should get that notify that says I will run. So let's just see what happens. Here we go. Okay, I will run. Brilliant. So let's go back and change this. So we'll change it to full. So where you might use this, you've written a new module, you don't want to use it on everything. You have to enable it. So you set it default is false. You have to enable it somewhere to use it. You can go into your node file. So we're going to create a node file in a second. So we're going to make absolutely sure that it's false in Hiera. We're going to run that again. While that's running, let's get our Puppet cert list. Oh, so this is just a fully qualified name of the host. I've only got one on this Puppet master, just for this example. So once that comes back, I'm just going to cut and paste that. Then I'm going to create a node YAML file. Okay. Right, so this says I will not run. Exactly. So common is now, so common won't run it. So if it slips through all of the predefined Hiera checks, it will get to common and it won't run it, which is what we want. So this is the name of my agent. So grab the name. So cd into your Hiera data directory or the data directory in Puppet 5. So we've just got common in there at the moment. Let's make directory. Now it's called nodes, I believe. cd into nodes and vi filename.yaml. Okay, so make your YAML file, so your 3 hyphens, space down. Then it's enable underscore testing, because that's the name of our module. Enable is true. Save that. So we've got nodes and common. So let me just, right, so let's see if that runs. Let's run that one more time. Okay, so it will run. So there you go. So you've set up a node YAML file and that works, and common doesn't work. So that's how to do it. Enjoy.